Need a better way to collect payments and information for your group? CheddarUp is your all-in-one platform for payments, registrations, signups, fundraising, even point of sale and peer-to-peer campaigns. Join thousands of go-getters, volunteers, and community leaders who are organizing smarter, saving time, and seeing real results. Ready to see it in action? In this video, we'll show you how to create, share, and manage a collection from start to finish. When it comes to creating a collection, the sky's the limit. CheddarUp is easy to use and flexible enough to handle it all. Let's create a collection. Start from scratch or pick a ready-made template. Give your collection a clear name and then add a custom image or video to help your collection stand out. Drop in a short description and customize it to fit your needs. Include event details, set a donation goal, or even add helpful FAQs. CheddarUp collections are super flexible, so you can set it up your way, fast. Now it's time to add what you're collecting, like tickets, donations, dues, or spiritware. You can even set up recurring payments for monthly giving. Add a name, set your price, and include a quick description. Then bring it to life with images. Adjust the settings and add any questions you need, so it works just right for your collection. Need to collect info too? CheddarUp's built-in forms let you gather waivers, signups, RSVPs, and more. It's quick to build, easy to share, and works on any device. Best of all, no extra apps or tools, just everything you need all in one place. Now it's time to fine-tune your collection's settings. You've got flexible options like selecting payment methods, setting who covers the fees, and customizing receipts. When you're ready, hit publish and your collection is live. Share it with a custom link, QR code, or email invite. It's a smooth, friction-free experience that makes it easy for your community to jump in and take action. Once your collection is live, CheddarUp handles the heavy lifting. It tracks payments, captures responses, keeps everything organized, and makes reports easy to export. For in-person payments, CheddarUp's point-of-sale tools let you collect on-site using mobile tap or Bluetooth card readers, perfect for event booths, merch tables, or check-in stations. And the best part is, everything syncs with your collection. A group page brings it all together, a branded web page unlocked with a team plan that keeps your collections in one place and helps your community stay connected. From fundraisers and registrations to dues and donations, CheddarUp is built to handle whatever your group needs to collect. Ready to streamline your next collection? Get started with CheddarUp today.